Hello, this is Patrick White from AA Commodities and Investments with your Thursday, August 6th morning market update. Grain markets are mostly lower here on this Thursday morning at 7:30 a.m. We've got December corn unchanged at 323 and a quarter, and November beans are actually unchanged as well here at 878 and three quarters. Some pretty light action here overnight. Corn is coming in, seeing some two-sided trading here overnight. The corn market feels like a grind near the bottom heading into the last part of this week. Since trading all the way down to the 320 level here on Tuesday, the December contract has stayed around there since then. I believe the highest we've traded since then is about 324. The ideas of a larger crop size being reported here in next week's WASDE report is winning out versus the ideas that demand will be raised enough to be able to offset the increase in supplies completely. This year yields have been looking pretty good, and there's just not a big enough area in the Midwest that's been too dry or too wet to point at to say, hey, we could have a lower yield than trend. So I think it's pretty safe to say that we're going to see a yield above the trend line yield for the USDA. And in my opinion, I think we're going to see a 182 to 183 bushel yield here next week, and that should outpace any increase in demand, at least for this point. So the corn market, hopefully we can hold that 320 level in December and, get a rally, a sellable rally up to that 330 and higher. So soybeans are 1 to 2 cents lower here this morning. Traders are still electing to liquidate their longs here ahead of the WASDE report out Wednesday of next week. Traders are somewhat fearful of what the USDA has to say as far as yield goes. Like corn, everybody's in that 50 plus bushel camp here, 50 to even 54 bushels an acre there as far as yield goes. Everyone's sure it's going to be a large yield number, just nobody knows how large it's going to be. November soybeans did go down to test that 875 level overnight. We did have a low of 875 and a half here on the overnight, and that did hold. So let's see if we can get a bounce from there today. Weekly export sales here come out this morning, and that'll be on the top of traders' minds here as they are expected to be a little bit larger here, as our sales have been still going good here to China these last couple of weeks. So that's all I've got here for today. Hope you guys got some more of that rain here that came in through last night, and I hope you guys have a productive day out there. Remember that there is significant risk in trading futures and options, and it is not suitable for all investors. For more information on commodity markets, give us a call at 712-262-7606.